And advertisement has different types. Okay, so I think we will be discussing about the types of advertisement separately. Okay, so whatever the information that we have given here, there is only like a title, and another one is like two-line description, the final URL, the display URL. So these are the little bit important terms that we need to understand with respect to creating advertisements with Google. Okay, and I think we have sufficient time to discuss about the advertisement types also. Okay, let us see what are the different types of advertisements we have. We also have different goals with respect to advertisements. The preferred advertisement network is basically the search network advertisement one. And basically these search network ads are displayed every time when somebody searches about your business, your product or services in internet. Okay, indirectly we can call this search network ads as text ads, or we can call it as a text ads. Okay, advertisement that are displayed with the text content. And this is one best example. What you see all here is basically called a text advertisement. Okay, so these advertisements are triggered based on the keywords. So whatever the keyword that people are using to search, okay, the advertisement is triggered based on the keyword. So search network advertisements are dependent on the keywords used by the user. Okay, and you can see one of the example is given here with respect to search network ads, like water number one plumber service, 30 plus years of experience, Michelle and Son plumbers, plumbers in plumberslogics.com. So we also see advertisement on the right side. So this is the example that is taken from Google. So these are the text advertisements, contains a title, a display URL, two-line description, extensions, and the advertisements are always highlighted with the text called AD, so that people can easily differentiate between the advertisement and the normal organic content. So that's about with ads, search network ads. The next type of advertisement we have is basically called the display network. Okay, so this is basically the display network advertisement, where Google will show your images to other people. Okay, the display network advertisement or the content or advertisement that is shown inside a website. So one type of advertisement is that which is shown when people are searching on Google or YouTube. So wherever they search, the advertisement is shown. That is basically a search network advertisement or a text network advertisement. Okay. So the display network advertisement are those images or advertisement created using an image, a GIF file or a video also. So people can increase their sales, brand their business using these types of advertisements. And these advertisements displayed into those websites which are related to the content or the keyword. Let me say I create an advertisement related to garments. Now, the government related advertisement will be displayed inside those websites which is discussing about the manufacturing of garments, the weaving of garments, or the dyeing industry, whatever it may be, because this content is related to each other. Okay, related to content and topics. Okay. Display ads. Basically, they are displayed inside a Google partner site. So there is one more technical term we end up seeing here: Google partner site. A website is called a Google partner site when it is allowed to display the Google's advertisements. I have a couple of blogs. One blog is called myapnal.com. Okay, which once you visit here, you can see Google's advertisements shown here on the top and also on the right side sidebar. If you see, okay, look at this one. Choose your look, second life, something like that. So these are the display advertisement. And I have one more blog. Okay, that's basically a content related to the business of Amway Corporation, where I'm one of the direct distributor of it. But still, I know about the business, so I just want to talk about this one to the public using this particular one. Where oh, I'm using ad blocker, so I may not be able to see advertisements here. So I'm releasing it here for this website, and I read out. Okay, so if you see the space, the empty space here, okay, is basically related to advertisements. Look at this one. What is this here? Okay, so I see this text advertisements are given here. I open click one particular advertisement. Okay, so give your website a new home, something like that. So GoDaddy has given an advertisement on my website. Okay, so Google has given another advertisement here. So all these advertisements are shown by Google only. Okay, so once I integrate my website, so my website becomes a Google partner site. So this is basically called display advertisement. So display advertisements are those advertisements which are displayed inside a website, and those content are displayed based on the content. The images or the advertisements are displayed with a very specific website which is related to the content of the website. Okay, so because we show the advertisement to the related people, okay, the conversion rate or the lead generation will be highly relevant, or it will be more useful. Okay, there's one more type of advertisement called the shopping ads. Okay, let me say, if you're trying to sell a product, if you're selling one or two product, it is easy to sell, it is easy to manage the, say, advertisement campaign. Whereas when you run a business which has, let me say, hundreds of products or even thousands of products, okay, when you run advertisement with thousands of products, each and every advertisement needs to be managed, and that is very difficult. So Google has come out with an advertisement type called ad for e-commerce websites. So websites that contains more products and it is difficult to maintain the individual ads, they can prefer shopping ads. Okay, the shopping ads are triggered based on the input from the Google's Merchant Center. So Google has got a product called the Google Merchant Center. Google Merchant Center. You can use your Google account and go to this Google Merchant Center. This is a free portal for people. Okay, Merchant Center, where you can go. So click on sign in to Google Merchant Center. So you can sign in as a merchant center or advertisement or a manufacturer center. Okay, if you go to a manufacturer center, you can actually sign up as a manufacturer. Let me say you are producing or manufacturing your garments products. You can go create account with this one, and you can sign up as a manufacturer with Google, and Google will try to show you. Okay, your account does not have access to manufacturer account, so either I have to create one or I have to sign in. Okay, let me leave this. Okay, now what happens, I have into merchant center. Okay, merchant center means I can sell the product online. Okay, so using a paid advertisement campaign. Okay, so if you are having products, hundreds and hundreds of products, you can go to the merchant center. You can enter your business name, details, and everything, and you can add your kids' t-shirts, items, product, everything in Google Merchant Center. So you can start selling the product in Google Merchant Center for free. Okay, so you can also have your e-commerce product uploaded, and you can promote those products on Google. Okay, using a paid campaign or advertising, so shopping advertisements. So we will be discussing about this merchant center based on the requirements in the future. So there is a platform with the Google to add your product details, that is basically called a shopping advertisements. So these shopping advertisements are generally shown as a display advertisement. It is also shown as a search network advertisements. Whenever you go and search about a product that you can buy online, for example, a 2 liter water bottle, let me say I want to buy a 2 liter water bottle online. Now the Google knows very well that this guy is looking for a water bottle, so it says like, see, ads. So 2 liter water bottles advertisement are shown on the right side corner, ADS. Okay, these are the shopping advertisement that is created and launched by the different websites like Natura by igp.com, Elementary, Amazon.in, okay, Instacart. So there is a lot. So these kind of advertisements are called shopping ads, and this advertisement that you see here with respect to Amazon is basically called a search network advertisement or a text advertisement. Okay, and the next type of advertisement we have is a video advertisement. Okay, you can have a video based on the length of the video. Your advertisement type is being decided. If your video is more than, let's say, 15 seconds, okay, you can use that video as a in-stream advertisement. Okay, where people can skip your ads. Okay, when people look at your advertisement for 5 seconds, they cannot skip. After 5 seconds they can skip and go away. Okay, and there is another type of advertisement called bumper ads, where these bumper ads are only 5 seconds worth, less than 5 seconds. Okay, so you cannot skip the advertisement. Okay, so this is basically called the bumper ads. Okay, and they cannot be skipped. I think it is actually less than 5 seconds or 6 seconds. Okay, even if it is 5 seconds, advertisement will go. Okay, and we have one more thing called a discovery ads. And discovery ads are those advertisement that is displayed along your video content, especially on YouTube. Okay, you can go to Gmail. If you check into your, you log into your Gmail. Now Google is going to show advertisements on the, advertisement section. Okay, you can have a look at it. You log into a Gmail, so there is something called a promotion section. Okay, and you go to a promotion section and you will be seeing some sponsored content inside. There's something called associate, there's something called promotions here. I click on these promotions. Okay, at times at top of the promotions I'll be having a paid campaign or advertisement shown. Okay, so this is basically advertisement account. Okay, so normal Gmail account. So at times under promotions, see, now it is showing here, can you see Bluehost and SEMrush? So these two advertisements are shown. This is basically the, discovery ads. Okay, so it is shown inside, Gmail. It is also shown in YouTube. Okay, once you go open YouTube. Okay, okay. In the YouTube, if you see V20 SE Diwali with the smile wala diya something, okay, and no more. And if you see at the left side, YouTube says delight every moment hashtag. Okay. Now these are all the advertisement that are called discovery ads. Okay, where we show your advertisement to other people. Okay. So these three advertisement can be used as a video content to promote. So basically, we call this one as a video advertisements. There is one more advertisement type called smart ads. Basically, the smart ads are something where it will take the basic information from us. Okay, basic information. Okay, I think Google has added one more thing: local visits and promotions. Okay, so earlier this was not there, but now Google has added this one. So this is the first time I'm seeing this: local store visit and promotions. That's great. Okay, so the smart ads is missing here. I think we can go under leads. Under leads, you can go for search, and no, here it is showing here. Okay, so search network advertisement, display network, shopping advertisement, video advertisement. We have got smart advertisement. Okay, so these smart advertisements are basically called the automatic advertisements, where the advertisements are created automatically based on the input, this little input that we give, and it will start bombarding your advertisements on different platforms. You use a true caller. Inside a true caller, you see an advertisement coming in. You visit YouTube from your mobile phone, again it will show you an advertisement. You can visit a website, you can visit inside any content, wherever you see the possibility of Google product is available, the smart advertisement. Okay, see, we can use the same with other advertisements also, but smart is something where you create advertisement, it is automatically taking take care of, the remaining stuff. But the problem here is we cannot personalize it, we cannot customize it to that extent of other campaigns. Smart campaigns are less in personalization, and we may not be able to control it post creation. Okay, so get customers call or visit your storefront with automated ads that shows on Google Maps and across the web, and take advantage of minimal hands-on ads management. So you don't need to manage advertisement to that an extent seriously. Okay, you can take a small management, which means like you don't need to manage it, but Google will end up spending huge money, and you will not be getting a better results at times. And this is not the best choice for people who are knowledgeable with respect to, advertisement campaigns and industries. So this is basically called the smart campaigns. Okay, and ad status and campaign statuses. So whatever you have discussed till now is basically called the smart ads, and Google has recently come out with one more types of advertisement campaign, that is basically the, if you look into the goal, we can see, because this is the first time we are seeing local store visits and promotions. Okay, local store visits and promotions. I think we need to type it manually. Okay, local store visits and promotions with respect to this goal. Okay, so these are all the different types of advertisements which we have.